Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can put Snapstreak as story. Watch the video till the end so that you'll be able to do the following activities by yourself. Before moving on to the video, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Okay, now let's move straight into the video. Open your Snapchat, which can be downloaded through App Store and from which you're going to put Snapstreak as a story. So to go to the chats, you can either swipe left or you can, in the bottom side, you can see there is a location option and then chat, then explore, then your friends, and then a video play button icon. So to go to the chats, you want to simply tap on this or you can slide to leftward. To add streak as story, you want to go to anyone's chat. In the top right corner, you can see this person's profile. So here you can see a profile. So scroll down and there is Snapstreak. Clearing Snapstreak is possible only when you have crossed over 100 streaks with that person. For now, you can simply screenshot this and then go back and then go to your profile then here you can see this add to my story. To add Snapstreak as story, you want to go to camera roll and find the screenshot that you have taken, and then in the bottom left corner you can see this square icon with a plus sign. You want to tap on it and then it has been sent to a story. To check the story, on the top left corner you can see the beep emoji has turned into a circle thing, and then here there is my story. Tap on it and you can see the Snapstreak has been sent to your story. That is how you put Snapstreak as story, reminding you that it is only possible when you cross 100 streak with that person. That is all for today. If this video was helpful for you, do like, share, leave a comment down below, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll get notified when we post new videos.